Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera S. This is finished in black. This is equipped with a 3.8 liter flat 6-cylinder engine with a 7-speed automatic PDK transmission. Start up here at the driver front wheel. Great shape, no curb rash, fantastic condition. Wheel center caps, those were optioned to be painted in that color, and they are doing fantastic. Not a whole lot of fading back there. Also the big bright red calipers look good as well. Try and get you a few walks down the body lines of the car. Back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, center cap's in pretty good shape. Try to show a little bit of wear in there, get really close to find it, but not too significant. Active rear spoiler back here. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, same as the other two, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, calipers look good, nice bright red back there behind the wheel. Get you another run down this body line here. Finally up here at the passenger front, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. This one on the center cap, you'll see it has a little bit of spots of maybe small chipping out of the paint there, but really excellent shape for being nearly 10, 11 years old. Take you inside, got black leather interior. Power mirrors, Bose surround sound system. Notice in the bolster there, a little bit of wear. I didn't see any damage to the stitching, so it doesn't look like it's going to be anything that's going to pop up on someone in the near future. Sport Chrono Package Plus, PCM navigation, you have 3-stage heated and cooled front seats, your 7-speed PDK gear selector there. And current mileage 60980. Nice power sunroof. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check us out on our website, www.autoassets.com, where you can find a ton of photos of this vehicle.